Hey guys, so I'm about to do some Diwali shopping for my family. So let me show you how easy it is to order from Earthly Jewels. Let's go through the website.
Okay guys, so since we are headed over to our website earthlyjewels.co, let us move on with the further process. So since I want to order an oval ring, let's check the menu. And since I've decided to get an oval ring, let's just directly go into the section of oval under the shapes. So now we can see different type of oval solitaires under our different collections. So let's just quickly browse through it and select what we like. Okay, this one seemed to catch my eye. This 3-carat oval diamond rings. It has a single pave band, so this is pretty simple yet elegant to me. So let's check other details about it. Over here I can see all the details about it. I can even view the image larger. After viewing, I can even see how it would look on my hand, like how the size would look on my hand. So here's the picture. On the right hand side, we can see the specifications, which is 3-carat oval diamond ring. The offer price is also mentioned here, as I've highlighted it. You can even get the option of either choosing a 14-carat or 18-carat of gold. Below that, there are the options for metal as well, that is yellow gold, white gold or rose gold. I would personally go for the yellow gold. Here we even have the customizations for the size of our solitaire diamond. So it's either 1 carat, 2 carat, 3 carat or 4 carat. You can choose according to your preferences. I'm going to choose 2 carat, and you can see the prices has differed after changing my carat of the diamond. Then my ring size is 13, so I will select 13. Hence there would be a minor update over the price because the size has changed. You can check the prices after changing your size and the carat of your diamond. So after that, below you can see the option of add to basket or buy now. If you want to add further more products, you can just simply add the ring into the basket or directly choose the option buy now. Below that, we even have a pin code check tool. We can just enter our pin code of the city. There you can either check if the package is deliverable over there, and also you can check the estimated delivery date. Below that, we have an option of size guide. That is, if you are not sure about your ring size or if you don't know it precisely, you can check this chart and it will help you out. Below that, you can see the screen button, which has written have questions or need customizations, which simply means that if you have any kind of queries about the product, you can just click on the WhatsApp us now button and our customer success team will directly reach out to you on the WhatsApp and help you out with your queries. Below that, we can see the really important section, which is the precise price breakdown of the product. It will give you an extreme details about what type of diamond is used, what carat of gold or what type of metal is used, also the diamond clarity. The diamond is EF and VS, which is considered to be a very good quality. Over here you can see our festive price. Our regular price is 40,000, and since this festive sale is considered as the biggest sale of the year for us, you are gonna get it for flat 30% off, which is 28,000 rupees. And it's the same for the side diamonds as well. Below that, it is the making charges and the GST. And then there is a final amount coming up as 80,314. So now if you have verified the whole price breakdown and if you see that everything is perfect, we can quickly go towards the checkout process. Now it has taken me quickly to the checkout page. On the right hand side, we can see the whole order summary. That is what order you have selected, what product you have selected, the price, the GST and the total amount. And on the left hand side, you can see that you have to fill the basic information about you, which is your first name, last name, address and PIN code. Let me fill up something so you can have an idea. So I'm just gonna fill up a dummy address. I'll enter the phone number, then I'll enter the email. Also, if you want to create an account on Earthly website, you can definitely click on the box beside the create an account option. Also, it is completely optional, so if you don't want to do it, you can just leave it as it is. If you want the ring to be delivered at a different address, you can click on the checkbox right beside this. A different form will appear for the same, but since I want it to be delivered on the same address, I will just skip that part. So now, since I've entered the basic details and also I've verified my order summary, I'll just quickly tick here where it has written I have read and agreed to the website terms and conditions, and then I'll quickly click on this place order. As soon as we click on this payment button, it will quickly take us to the payment page. You can see possibly every payment methods over here, which is UPI, cards, net banking, wallet. So once you make the payment, the order would be confirmed and then you will receive a confirmation email. So this is how you can place an order from our website.
See, it was that easy. Let's celebrate Diwali heartfully with 30% off on treasures handpicked for you.